Hi friends, today I will talk about one teacher who has left an indelible mark in my life. So just to give you a background, I was born in Visakhapatnam, which is a city in Andhra Pradesh. Until my 8th standard, I used to stay in the outskirts of Vizag. So till my 8th standard, I used to be very happy. I used to be a good student since my childhood, but I used to be very happy just doing well in my school. And I was not really exposed to many of the other competitive things. Now in my 8th standard, we shifted from the outskirts of Vizag to the central part of Vizag, and there I met Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi, who used to run classes which will help students after their schoolwork. So she used to run a tuition center to help students finish their maths homework. And because I was a young student and I was playing a lot, my mother sent me there. And I was with her for maybe around a year or so. And she, I think, was one of the first people who told me to aim much higher than what I was happy with. Till then, I was just happy doing well in my school and coming back and playing. But she used to tell me to not just do 8th standard maths. She used to teach me 9th standard maths. She used to teach me 10th standard maths. And she used to make me try to aim for higher. Even though I was struggling with trying to do maths which was higher than my grade, she used to give me confidence to pursue these competitive things. And after spending a few months with her, she also told me about the IIT and how I should prepare for these entrance examinations, which helped me step by step in actually doing well in the JEE and join IIT Bombay. I think without her, I would not have aimed for as high goals that I normally set myself. So even after all of these years, I look back fondly about the influence that one teacher had in my life. There were many other teachers who helped me quite a lot, but I think she was one of the most pivotal because she taught me when I was young that it is okay to aim higher and even fail. Even if we aim higher and fail, even then we'll reach further we would normally do. So if there is any teacher who has helped you quite a lot in your life, please do let us know that story in the comments for this video.